if you deactivated or closed your Facebook ad account and now you are wondering to reactivate the closed or deactivated ad account, here's how to easily reactivate a ad account. First of all, open business.facebook.com and here select the business account where you added your ad account. Now click on settings and click on accounts. Here click on add accounts, and now if you added filters, then click on filters, and all you have to need, clear all filters from here and click on apply, and here you will find your deactivated Facebook ad account. Now just click on that. So here we can see currently this ad account status is disabled. To reactivate this account, click on this three dot and click on make active. And here click on make active. And here we can see I've successfully activated my Facebook ad account. And now I can easily use this ad account to run ads. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.